We get a lot of patients that come to see us for second opinions, or patients who have previously had implants that have failed. And there's sometimes a misconception on that a lot of dental implants fail, or that the implant has been rejected. And I'm going to give you the biggest reasons why dental implants fail. One of the biggest reasons that implants fail are failure to plan. So planning encompasses examining the patient, establishing what needs to be done to place that implant, placing the implant, and then restoring the implant. If any of those steps are missed, the implant is going to fail. Some of the reasons that implants fail can be related to the quality of the implant materials. So there's different types of implants. We have titanium and ceramic. On top of that, we have surface technology on how the surface of that implant is made by the companies, and that's constantly evolving. So there's newer technologies creating better surfaces, better implants. Here at Adara, we only use implants that have the newest technology and are shown to be better in the long-term prognosis and have verified studies that show that those implants are superior. The other reason implants fail is failure to coordinate between the parties that help this implant come to fruition. That comes all the way from the general physician, a restorative dentist if they're involved in the picture, and our team. If there's a failure to coordinate, the wrong pieces can be attached to an implant, or a patient may not be medically optimized to have that implant placed. Here at Adara, we make sure that our communication is very thorough, and that we make sure that we have the patient optimized from a medical standpoint, and that our dentists who are restoring the tooth, if it's not ourselves, understand the parts and pieces that are needed to make sure the implant does not fail. So if you have failing implants, or you have implants that have had problems in the past, or you have missing teeth or just need implants, come see us at Adara. We'll use the top technology, the best in implant brands, best in implant surfaces, and we'll make sure you have a successful result.